When your hearing is over, do not leave the courthouse. First, you must wait to receive your paperwork, to receive the final restraining order. After you are handed the final restraining order, it is important for you to review it to ensure it is accurate. Make sure all of the relief you thought you were granted is outlined correctly in the order. If a correction needs to be made, you should notify the sheriff's officer immediately. Also, when the sheriff's officer hands you the order, check to make sure they are going to request that the defendant remain in the courtroom for approximately 10 minutes. This will give you the opportunity to leave the courthouse and ensure the defendant does not follow you. It is better for you to leave the courthouse first so that the defendant does not wait for you outside of the courthouse. Now that you have a final restraining order, there are certain steps you should take. First, take a moment and be proud of yourself for having taken this important step. Take a moment to reflect on the events of the day. Secondly, make copies of your final restraining order. You should keep a copy of the order on you at all times. It is a good idea to keep a copy in your car and home, and even with a close friend. Be sure to provide a copy to your local police department. You may also choose to provide a copy to your work, your children's school, or even your doorman. Even though you have a final restraining order, you may still consider changing the locks on your home or even your phone number. It is important for you to know that this final restraining order lasts for your lifetime. This order will stay in place until another court order is entered. This protection is not only applicable in the state of New Jersey, but throughout the rest of the United States. If you relocate to a different county or state, make sure to give your new local police department a copy of your restraining order.
If you need legal advice or representation, you can see if you are eligible for our services by calling 1-888-LSNJ-LAW or completing our online intake at www.lsnjlawhotline.org.